This woman accused this man of groping her breast. He says she's lying. Officers use surveillance footage to figure out which one is telling the truth.
I was just walking by and he reached in my shirt and grabbed my boob.
Okay.
I wasn't trying to do anything. I just back up because I was trying to buy a hot dog.
So you did not do anything intentional. You guys just bumped into each other?
I was just like walking my back. And then she was walking behind.
What was said when that happened?
I don't know. I said, don't f***ing touch me. I yelled in his face. I said, don't f***ing touch me. And then he said, you're lucky somebody's touching them or what. I don't know. I don't really know. I was like, you're disgusting. I was like screaming. I don't know.
Yeah, she thinks that you just hang out right here. Do not look at that group over there, okay?
Can I have my one friend?
Listen, you're an adult. This is a decision you have to make. It's not up to your friend. It's up to you on the decision that you want to make.
I know, but her husband's my best friend and he's a sheriff's deputy, so I just want to talk to him.
You think he's up at 3 in the morning?
She's talking to him right now.
The tall girl?
Yeah.
What's her name?
Melissa.
Melissa. Hi. Your husband's a deputy?
So my husband's a cop. I'm very level-headed. That guy literally went laughed at her and grabbed her tit, and then in the shirt and grabbed her tit.
Okay.
And then I looked at him and I said, "Are you kidding me?" And then I think you guys saw us pass by you guys, and I was like, and then when I saw her upset, realizing what just happened, I turned around and the whole group over there saw what happened. And they were like, wait, did he just do that to you? And then that's when she started crying, and then that's when I got you guys because I saw how much she was in distress. I understand it's a lot, having 18 girls bombard you guys. I get that. I understand that. But that was so.
I'm not drunk.
Yeah, we're literally just hanging out. And
so you saw it happen?
I saw it happen.
Okay.
I will write a witness statement. I don't care.
But it's up to you. It's not
you will.
It's not up to her husband. You're the victim. And then you do want to press charges. That's the other thing. We can't make that decision for you. She can't. Nobody else in your group definitely can't. It's up to you.
What else? Moving forward, what else do I do? So you write the statement, and then they'll follow up on it.
And they'll be arrested for battery.
All right. So yeah, that was disgusting.
I'm just gonna go in there, go pull it up real quick. What's up, guys? Okay, were you here when any of this happened? No. Okay, do me a favor, head on out, okay? Thank you. I need to go watch some footage. Apparently he grabbed her boob, but
Guys, come on!
I got what's his name at the hot dog stand saying look accidental. Apparently right in front of the hot dog stand, a guy reached in a girl's shirt. From my understanding, they were waiting in line to get a hot dog. The girls were walking by, and allegedly he reaches in there and. But what's his name? Steve? The hot dog guy? Josh, that was close, right? Josh at the hot dog stand said no, it looked accidental.
How long ago?
I don't know, last 10 minutes or so. So that dude, okay, whoa, this is perfect. Okay, back it up 5 more seconds. It's right at the top right there. You see the dude in the yellow sleeves?
Want me to go back further?
No, this is perfect. Here, back it up again, and then if you could zoom in. I keep bumping into you, man. I'm sorry.
No worries. I got it.
This is gonna be perfect.
Let me back it up a little
Yeah,
bit
for sure.
more. Is that good?
Yeah, that's perfect. We're parked right there on Charles, and then we see them all yelling and stuff, and we're like, what's going on? And then they,
He's gonna get arrested, right?
Yeah, she wants to press charges. She
Can't be doing like that.
Yeah.
She should have thrown a drink right in his face.
You'd think, but I mean, whatever. We're gonna arrest him. We're right there,
All right,
so
cool.
he's gonna go. Yeah, that works.
All right,
Thank you,
cool.
brother. Appreciate it.
Well, thank you, guys.
No problem.
I'm going to go over there with you right now, and we are going to 10-15 this gentleman for reaching his hand inside of her shirt and grabbing her breast.
Okay.
Which breast? I know it does matter. Her right breast. Okay.
I did not do that breast or anything.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Behind your back.
Let me tell you something.
Turn around.
No.
Sir, this will go a lot easier.
A horrible mistake.
No, let me check.
Put your hands behind your back.
Let me talk. Let me talk. Check that video.
Back up.
Check that video.
Turn around and put your hands.
Check it. No. Check that video.
Back the up.
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
Please, can you please check the video? Check the video.
I'm going to tase you if you do not turn around and put your hands behind your back.
Just the video.
Okay.
Check the video.
I'm going to tell you one more time, and then I'm going to tase you.
I'm not trying to do that.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
I know I did a mistake. I just said, what's up?
Turn around and put your hands behind your back. Do it now.
Please, check that video, please.
You just caught another charge in case you were wondering. Now, other than, yes, you are. You're going to jail no matter what. I guarantee you are. Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
Check the video before you do anything.
Oh, you're about to make such a big mistake, bud.
I'm not trying.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
Sir,
you
turn around, place your hands behind your back.
I understand. Check the
I
video
don't
first.
care. At this point,
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
Check the video. I'm not trying to be hurt. I'm not trying to be bad.
Ladies, move. Move.
Can you guys please? No, I'm not trying to hurt.
Stop resisting. Back up. You're about to get tased. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
Let me talk.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
You guys arrest me for no reason.
Are you kidding me?
So you guys arrest me for no reason.
And that's another charge, though. You just got 2 more charges, in case you're wondering. So you're going for that and you're going for the resisting. Yeah, is right. Yes, you f***ed up. You're going on 3 charges now. Move. We're putting him in the van. Get the f*** out of the way. Move. I'm fucking not asking you. I'm telling you. Look at me like that.
No,
Unlock this van.
No, you got to arrest me for no
What? You want to go too? We got plenty of room.
What the f*** you?
Unlock the van.
No, you guys have
More
video.
stuff.
Check this video. Check the video. Can you guys check the video? Can you guys please check the video?
I just did.
Huh? You just did?
Yeah, I just checked the video. Step in.
I deserve that.
Here's his wallet.
What? Go away. You can leave now. Take your friend. Take your friend.
You're telling us to go away, but
Go that way. You can go that way. I don't have to tell them anything. Go that way.
We buying stuff.
Okay, then buy stuff and leave. Have a good night. I don't have to. They're not the problem. You are. Oh, dude, it is so intentional.
Okay.
Yeah, it's gross. Yeah.
Do you have the video to download and send in?
He is going to come out and give it to me. Yeah. I got it on my body cam though. Yeah. But he's going to come out and give it to me so I can upload it as well.
All right. Was I doing something wrong with this fucking door? Because that was pissing me off a lot.
This door sticks really hard. You got to pull it and lean back. It's a pain in the ass.
No, I need to know because I was getting like pissed at him.
Because I thought it was.
It feels like I'm literally sitting here. This guy's being a they're all being like I can't get the door open. So all right, head out. Don't hit my car.
Sir, thank you so much. Thank you. I hope you guys stay safe. I'm so sorry.
Give him a quick verbal statement of what you saw, please.
Okay.
The aggressive man in the green striped shirt unexpectedly returns while officers wrap up the investigation.
No, this is the one I want to find out.
I'm sorry, I see the video.
So did we?
Yes.
Yeah, but
We commend the female victim for having the courage to speak up and doing a great job in doing so. This suspect was charged with battery, and resisting the suspect was released on a 25-0 bond. The same day, court records indicate he ultimately pleaded no contest to the assault charge, and as part of the agreement the resisting charge was dropped, he was sentenced to 6 months of probation and ordered to pay $575 in fines, along with a letter of apology. In the months following, he was found drunk, passed out in a car that had crashed at the local high school. He was arrested on suspicion of drunk driving causing damage. He obtained a private attorney, and that case is still being adjudicated. He's presumed innocent of those charges.